guys, we just had some breakfast. A lot of breakfast, which you probably saw. And the boat is rocking because it is like cold outside and like rainy and windy. And yeah, I feel like I haven't done much talking and showing a lot instead. But I think that's the point of the trip. And it's a mission trying to find a room here. It's still so busy. I think I showed you everything. Yeah. Huh? Are you sure? Oh yeah, our room should have been here. But 9-6 is here, so 9-5 should be. To go back up again and then cross at 11. Okay, no? Again. Oh, finally. I was like, we're back in the same spot again. Hi. So, as you probably saw, or at least I showed you, we just crossed to the other side because our room is on the other side of the ship. So we have to cross the lobby and then, or the pool, whatever, and then come down here.
Morning.
Morning.
What are you doing?
Oh, they went their breakfast, still having
Still
breakfast.
eating?
Yeah.
Oh, right, no problem. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
So, oh, what is it?
It's something about your estimated departure times for your luggage tag numbers. Tag number 11 is 7:30 to 7:45.
We have to get out of here.
Yeah.
But that means
That,
breakfast.
that is only if you want them to take your bags for you. Well, I can carry my bags, it's okay.
Okay. Anyway, go do what you have to do. Okay, I'm gonna sit my camera somewhere. I think I have to put the camera down here and talk to you guys because I don't have a stand or anything to hold the camera up. But basically, I haven't spoken this whole trip to you guys, I think. And so I'm just gonna give a little bit of like an update on what's been happening. So we got here yesterday on the ship around 2. I'm pretty sure I told you guys that. And then we started to sail around 7.
I'm here.
So
I'm here.
now it's Wednesday and
Not
we
Wednesday. It's Tuesday.
now it is Tuesday. We, by the way, don't have a window in our room because we're not in the balcony level or anything like that, or balcony room. So we had no idea what time it was. It was dark in the room because the lights were all off. So it just seems like it's nighttime all the time until you actually turn on your phone and see the time and you're like, oh, yep, it's morning. So we got up at 9, went down to have breakfast. They call it... Oh no, we had dinner. Oh, Tippy, what are you doing, man?
Sorry, I need my phone.
What's the time, man?
It's 10:30.
Thank you. So yeah, so we just finished, came back to the room, and yeah, we're gonna kind of just look.
Birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Myron Uncle! and we are planning to just walk around the ship again. It's a big ship, but I think there's just a lot of outdoor activities and there's pools and stuff. But the 3 days that we are on this cruise, it has decided to rain and be windy and be cold, and it's summer, guys. Like, this is just, it's not fair. So we can't really do much. Still good.
Wow, this is us today. Look at my outfit. I am wearing a top from Ally. My belt is Gucci Gang. And a denim skirt that you gave me. And mine is...
I think the entire outfit is from Tempt. It's just this white tank top and this long flowy skirt and then these sandals here.
I can do white selfie.
And I can't. Okay guys, gonna go
Hey,
now.
there.
Bye. Oh, and they're just. Oh, is it a quiet lounge? And we got free ice cream.
I don't like this cone though, so I wish they gave it in a plane.
That's so silly.
Say hi!
It's so cold here, right? How many degrees is it today? 22. I don't think they can hear us. It's 22 degrees. It's freezing cold. It's windy. It looks like it's gonna rain heavy. And people are in the pool. And we have to sit outside because there's nothing else to do at the moment. Yeah.
It's a teddy bear! Give it a applause. Okay.
Thank you. Yes. First impressions. Did you hear that in the video? Go to pick up. Go to pick up. Oh, they purposely did, I'm telling you. Let me try one. What? Yay!
The family is relaxing.
Yep.
Nap time.
Is that your foundation?
Oh, sorry. First time, huh? Hello, Tom. I usually got the reason I'm doing because I got a lot of sunburn. My skin is peeling off. So
Is that why you look black?
yeah. Why do I have only that much here? So we don't have the powder. So that means, hang on. Hey, one step at a time, huh?
Okay.
We got that done. Now where is my where is the
What is that? Why are you putting more cream on?
this is the hand thing.
No. Crop out.
Bye.
Okay.
Here's the powder.
Powder.
Here. Too handy, isn't it?
Oh, we put too much.
Ma, is that how you put your powder on?
Next.
Oh, my part is weird. Please don't do that.
Finally, the sun is out. Unjinxed. Hey guys, so we just had a quick power nap. Was it a quick power nap? And then we got up and we're like, yep, we're hungry. But then we're like, no, we need some drinks. This is our last day here, last night here, so may as well. So didn't do that yet, but we came right to the very, very top. There was no one sitting here. It's so empty. But the way that we're facing is a movie, and they've got Adam's Family going on right now, which is so cool. So yeah, we are just watching that right now, enjoying the view, which you guys saw. It's crazy here. But I'm gonna show you again anyway. So, you, you're not the view.
I am. I'm here.
Totally. I'm skipping you. People are looking at you. Yeah, I don't know what they're staring at. Maybe they're staring at us.
Yeah, we are the view. I already said that.
Right, the theme today is Indian cuisine. And they are not joking. We're going home now, guys. Finish.
Bye, boat.
Bye.
Bye, ship. We are just getting out of the ship now.
Yeah. 7:30 in the morning.
7:30.
Right in early. Loved it.
I did the rock climbing.
Oh yeah. You're gonna see him do the rock climbing. Bye.
Here, Dad.
It's Wednesday. Struggles. Ow.
I'm not gonna go down again. Me too.
What are we gonna have? You're supposed to have breakfast and then go. It was your fault. It was his fault. You didn't wake us up early.
We didn't have breakfast in the ship because Akka said we don't have to eat.
Well, I think that time to 9:30.
But now what are we gonna eat? I'm being serious. Serious question. Yeah. Serious question. I'm hungry. What are we gonna eat?
Bakery में हमारे होटल में रहती है.
Okay.
I'm not spending it.
We are going home. Guys, he's so excited because he's never been on a bus before. He's like looking at everything. Guys, we just caught the bus to come home because there was no one able to pick us. Not that we needed anyone, but our house is like 10 minutes from the stop. I haven't walked this way since school. It is so exciting and so funny because we're all struggling with our luggage and all. But yeah, time to go home and sleep in my own bed and eat some food. Bye.
Me?
No, it's the water.
You just pointed directly at us.
It's fine. Because it's awkward. Oh.
Did we give him 3 right?
Yeah. Did we? No, we didn't. We gave 4.
4?
This sucks. Here and talk to you guys. Seriously, I'm just asking you one question. Just give me an answer.
What do you want?
What is the time?
11:30. 10:30. My time is ahead.
Tubby, come on, move over. Tubby, you're on my head.
This angle.
What double
I'm trying to
chin?
hide your double chin.
What double chin?
Seriously.
So what are you doing?
I don't know.
I think you already took it like 3 times.
Excuse me. I'm talking to you with you. I'm not in it, am I?
Yeah, but you're not moving over either. Oh, my makeup is on your hat now.
Huh?
You're not giving us food. That's what you're saying.